Morning students, today we shall discuss few questions of combination. Now see this one. The first question is given to you 9 NC9 is equals to NC8. Then find the value of NC2. Now NC9 is equals to NC8. See the solution of question number 1. NC9 is equals to NC8. If we open this one, definitely with the help of combination n factorial n minus 9 factorial into 9 factorial. Similarly, n factorial n minus 8 factorial into 8 factorial. Symbol of equality is there. This get cancelled. 1 upon it is n minus 9, it is n minus 8. Definitely n minus 8 is a larger value, so n minus 9 remains as it is. Among 9 and 8, 9 is the larger value. 9 into 8 factorial. 1 upon n minus 8, 1 less n minus 9 factorial into 8 factorial. This 8 factorial get cancelled, n minus 9 get cancelled. It is n minus 8 is equals to 9, n is equals to 17. So you have to calculate NC2. NC2 means 17C2, that is 17 into 16 upon 2 into 1. It is 8. 17 into 8, you will get your answer. Now after that you will simplify this question according to the property of combination. But there is one more property with the help of which you can simplify the same question. If you remember, yesterday we discussed about the property that NCR is equals to NC n minus R. So if we apply the property here, see this one, NC9 is equals to NC n minus 8. This one, NCR is equals to NC n minus R. Then we say if this n is equal, then definitely these R are also equal. 9 is equals to n minus 8 and n is equals to 17. You will be observed to simplify this question and simplify this question. Definitely this will take more time and this will take less time, because in this question we use directly the property, but in this question we not use the property, we use the formula of combination. So whenever this type of question is given to you, in such type of question always apply this property to calculate the value of n. After that you can simply calculate 17C2, that is 17 into 16 upon 2 into 1. Your answer will be 126. This is the quite important concept and question. Now see, there is one more question. A committee of 3 persons is to be constituted, means made from the 2 men and 3 women. See this one, it is given 2 men and 3 women. These are member of a group and we want to make a committee of 3 persons. We want to choose 3 persons. This one. So it is committee contain 3 members. If no condition is given, only given the 3 persons can be choose to make a committee, then definitely there is no foundation for the men and women. The committee consists of 3 persons. It may be 3 women, it may be 1 woman and 2 men, it may be 1 man and 2 women. So it depends upon the various cases. So in general, how many ways? If we simply say total number of ways, there are total 3 plus 2, 5 members are there. So this is your 5 members are there, and you want to select 3 persons among these 5. So 3 persons, that is 5C 3. Any 3 can be selected among these 5 to make a committee of 5 persons. So this becomes equals to 5 factorial, or directly you can open 5 into 4 into 3. 3 number is there, so 3 factors are there. It is 3, it is 2, it is 1. 3 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. There are total 10 ways by which you can make a committee of 3 persons in which 2 men and 3 women get a combinations. But now, what is the second part of the question? He say a committee of 3 persons can be made in which it contain 1 man and 2 women. Now the condition is given to you. Committee consists of 1 man and 2 women. So this is the condition given to you. Committee consists of 1 man and 2 women. Now how many men are given here? 2 men are given. So out of 2 you need only 1. So that is 2C1. And out of 3 women you need 2 into 3C2. See here, 2 and 3 total 5 persons. Your requirement 3 persons, 1 from the man and 2 from the women. So 5 and this is 3. And multiplication means a person can work with another person. For example, in your school there are the different teachers who teach the different subjects. In that case, in one class the teaching subject, for example, English. In one class English is taught by one ma'am, in other class taught by the other ma'am, in third class it is taught by the third ma'am. So these persons are different. In the similar way, so these combinations will be made whenever there is a product. So if we open it, 2C1 that is 2 only, 3C2 it is 3 into 2 upon 2 into 1 that get cancelled, 2 into 3, total number of ways are 6. So there are 6 ways in which 1 man and 2 women are the part of the committee of 3 persons, and there are total 10 ways in which a committee of 3 persons can be made by using the 5 persons.